Pam and Corey's trash can. Underwater.
So what?
And your trash can in the whirlpool going down.
Neighbor's yard is flooding. This is our front yard, people. You cannot even imagine how much water this is. That is the road. You can't even see it. It's almost up to the back of my truck now. There's the truck, and there's the water. It's all the way across, going in people's yards. There is no curb. Oh, and yes, y'all, that is deep. That is deep. That's okay. That is deep, y'all. Look at it, Nathan. It's all the way up on their yard, man.
Oh my gosh, my knees.
There's something out there.
No. That is insanity. That is one of those 30-gallon trash cans. Neighbor's driveway. It's just, just insanity. Just raging rapids out here. Raging freaking rapids. You cannot get through to my house right now. Unbelievable. This is, uh-oh, here we go. That's how deep that is.
It's keeping the water from draining down, hon.
Well, you can't do that.
I can.
There goes another one.
Yep. Garbage cans will plug the sewage drain. We don't get those out of there.
I'll do it.
No, the fire department will do it.
I told you I would get it out. It's about to overflow.
Well, we are so lucky our house is like this. Do we have any umbrellas?
Yeah.
I need an umbrella to go get a picture of that.
Oh, no, that's all right. That is okay.
I didn't even hop out.
Neighbor's yard. Almost up to their house. It's already submerged their tree. That's Margaret's house. Every time a car drives by, oh, here we go. Car's driving by. Let's go. Watch what happens. Watch what happens. Watch. Yep, watch the yard. There it goes.
There goes the one. Talking about water.
And we're getting a little bit closer on the truck again.
Well, I'm going to go to the end of the grass. We're not going to put it in. I just stand right there and look over to it.
Trash can completely submerged. The other one's upside down.
I didn't know it was going to overflow that much. Don't worry. That's right. That's what happened there when they popped his tire. Okay. There it goes. Yeah, we'll just...
Come here.
Who's that?
That's Corey.
Sarah, come here. Look, it's hurting his spot.
I know.
Sir, I gotta say, Eddie!
Oh my God.
Sir, come here, I gotta say.
Come on, die, buddy. You idiot. You just flushed it all on the Marty's lawn.
Oh, yeah.
This is bad.
Come on out, Corey. Don't be afraid. Corey runs out there and starts trying to attack you.
He's just looking.
No, don't.
Corey!
Shut up. Leave him alone.
Guys, did you get a hold of the fire department?
No.
I'll call it. No, Nathan, leave it to your mom.
Say hush.
Where's all that stuff?
Thank you, Lord!
And this is the back porch. It is flooded back there too. Yeah, that's a lot of water.
This is outside the back door. It's all the way, the water's all the way to the back door.